Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to take you on a little tour of my garden in the wintertime and show you something a little unexpected. What my local beach looks like covered in snow. If you've never seen a beach blanketed in snow before, you're in for a real treat. It's such a unique sight. For those of you who don't know, I live in coastal Connecticut, just a short walk from the beach. And I thought, why not start our tour there? Take a look at this. After a snowfall, the beach looks like something out of a dream. Half winter wonderland, half seaside escape. You don't often think of beaches in the snow. Now let's head back to my house and explore the garden itself. One of my absolute favorite spots when it snows is right here, my holly bush. Just look at how vibrant those red berries are, peeking through the snow-covered leaves. It's such a classic winter look, and it brings such a lovely pop of color to the otherwise white landscape. Next up, let's check out the hydrangea bushes. What I love about hydrangeas is that even in the winter months, when everything else seems to fade, they hold on to their beauty. The dried flower heads and delicate branches dusted with snow create this elegant, almost ethereal look. I personally think hydrangeas are beautiful plants, even in the winter months. I hope you enjoyed this little winter garden tour with me. Even though things slow down in the garden this time of year, there's still so much to appreciate. Nature has a way of surprising us, no matter the season.